Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're delving into the intriguing world of power dynamics with Conceal Your Intentions, another law from Robert Greene's 48 Laws of Power, a law that speaks to the power of mystery and strategic ambiguity. So let's explore the art of concealing intentions and the impact it can have on personal and professional relationships. In the game of power, the ability to conceal your intentions can be a potent tool. It's not about deception, but about fostering an air of mystery, an allure that keeps others guessing, intrigued, and engaged. This strategic ambiguity can tip the scales in your favor, whether in a negotiation, a social setting, or a personal relationship. It's a dance of reveal and conceal, a delicate balance that can yield impressive results if mastered. Let's delve into the essence of this law and understand why it's considered a crucial strategy. One of the key advantages of concealing intentions is the element of surprise. By keeping your cards close to your chest, you foster unpredictability. This unpredictability can often tip the scales in your favor. So, how can the element of surprise be a game changer in various situations? Concealing intentions is not about being deceptive, but rather about navigating social dynamics with finesse. Consider a poker player, never revealing his hand, yet still engaging in the game. It's about understanding the power of subtlety and strategic ambiguity. Let's explore practical examples. While concealing intentions is powerful, it's essential to strike a balance. Authenticity must not be compromised. The key lies in revealing just enough to maintain trust, yet holding back enough to keep the element of surprise. Let's discuss the delicate art of balancing transparency and strategic ambiguity. For those looking to apply this law in their lives, what are some practical tips for concealing intentions effectively? Begin by mastering the art of strategic ambiguity, subtly redirect conversations, and cultivate patience. Remember, it's not about deceit, but discretion. Mastering this skill requires intention and practice. As we wrap up, remember that conceal your intentions is not about playing games, but rather understanding the strategic value of keeping certain aspects of your plans shrouded in mystery. If you found value in this, do like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. Stay tuned for more insights on our channel.